In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in columns in Mailchimp. Whether you're creating a newsletter, promoting a product, or simply designing an eye-catching email, knowing how to use columns effectively can make your content more visually appealing and organized. Mailchimp makes it pretty straightforward to create professional layouts, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to add images side by side, making your emails stand out. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up the Mailchimp email builder. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is locate the Layouts section. This is where all the design magic happens. The Layouts option is typically found in the Content section of the email builder, and it provides pre-designed structures that you can use to organize your content. It's a great tool because it gives you the flexibility to create a polished design without needing any advanced technical skills. Now, once you're in the Layouts section, take a moment to browse through the layout options. What you're looking for is a layout that allows you to create columns. For example, there's a side-by-side layout that works perfectly for this. This layout will let you place content blocks next to each other, which is exactly what we need to display images in columns. When you've found the layout you want to use, go ahead and select it. After you've selected your layout, the next step is to drag it into your email design. Decide where in your email you'd like the column layout to appear. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, simply click and drag the layout from your options and drop it into the desired location. You'll see the layout appear in your email design, and it's ready for you to customize. Once the layout is in place and you're happy with its position, click the Done button to confirm the placement. This ensures that the layout is locked into the design, so you can start adding content. Now that your layout is ready, it's time to add your images. To do this, look for the Image Block option in the content blocks available in the email builder. The image block is what allows you to insert pictures into your design. Click on it, and then drag it into one of the content blocks within your column layout. You'll see a placeholder appear where your image will go. Once the image block is in place, you'll need to add your actual image. Click the Browse Images button, which will open up the image selection window. From here, you can either upload a new image or select one from your existing library within Mailchimp. Choose the image you want to use, and then click Insert. The image will now appear in the content block you selected. To complete the design, you'll need to repeat this process for the other content blocks in your column layout. Simply drag another image block into the next content block, click Browse Images, select your desired image, and then click Insert. Repeat these steps for as many content blocks as your chosen layout has. This way, you can fill each column with a unique image or the same image, depending on your design needs. Once all the images are added, take a moment to preview your email to ensure everything looks just the way you envisioned. And that's it. You've now successfully added images in columns using Mailchimp. This technique is a fantastic way to improve the look of your emails and keep your content organized and engaging. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.